Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some amazing travel hacks that every prudent traveler needs to know. We're about to unlock those travel dreams on a shoestring budget. So if you're ready to save some serious cash and travel smarter, buckle up and keep watching. We're talking about those insider tips and tricks that can help you see the world without emptying your wallet. Are you excited? I'm excited. Let's get this travel party started. Ever notice how flight prices seem to magically increase after you've searched for them a few times? Yeah, that's not a coincidence. Airlines use something called cookies to track your browsing history, and they use that information to jack up prices. But don't worry, I got you. We're about to outsmart them with the secret weapon of budget travelers' Incognito mode. Before you even think about searching for flights, open up a new Incognito or private browsing window. This prevents airlines from tracking your every move and keeps those prices in check. So remember, Incognito mode is your new best friend when it comes to booking flights. Okay, let's talk about packing because nobody wants to lug around a suitcase that weighs more than their own body. Plus those baggage fees? Ouch! That's why we're embracing the art of minimalist packing. The key here is to pack only the essentials. Instead, choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. It saves space and prevents wrinkles. And don't forget to utilize every nook and cranny of your suitcase. The lighter your load, the easier it will be to navigate airports and explore your destination without feeling weighed down. When you're in a new city, it's tempting to just hop in a taxi or order a rideshare. But trust me, your wallet will be much happier if you embrace the local way of getting around. Public transportation. Not only is it significantly cheaper, but it's also a fantastic way to experience the city like a local. Hop on a bus, jump on a train, or even try out the subway system. You'll be amazed at the hidden gems you'll discover along the way. Plus, using public transportation is better for the environment. Most cities have user-friendly apps that make it super easy to plan your route and even purchase tickets in advance. So, ditch the expensive taxis and embrace the adventure of public transportation. Let's be real. Finding the perfect place to stay can make or break your trip. It's one of the most crucial aspects of travel planning, but it doesn't have to break the bank. With a little foresight, you can find great deals that fit your budget. One of the best ways to secure amazing deals on accommodations is to book in advance. This strategy can save you a significant amount of money. I'm talking weeks, even months in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak season. Planning ahead gives you a head start. The earlier you book, the more options you'll have and the better the prices will be. You'll have the luxury of choice. Plus, you'll avoid the stress of scrambling for last-minute bookings, which often come with a hefty price tag. No one wants to overpay. Hostels are a fantastic option for budget travelers looking to meet other adventurers and save some cash. They offer a social atmosphere. Airbnb is another great option, offering unique and affordable places to stay, often with kitchen facilities so you can save even more money by cooking your own meals. It's like having a home away from home. Remember, the key here is to be organized and plan ahead. A well-planned trip is a stress-free trip, allowing you to enjoy your journey to the fullest. Okay, let's talk about timing. Timing can make a huge difference in your travel experience. Traveling during peak season, think summer holidays, school breaks, and major holidays, is like willingly signing up to pay a premium on everything. It's the time when everyone else is traveling too. Flights are more expensive, accommodations are booked up, and tourist attractions are packed with people. You might find yourself spending more time in lines than actually enjoying your trip. If you want to save money and enjoy a more relaxed travel experience, consider traveling during the off-peak seasons. This is when destinations are less crowded and more enjoyable. Think shoulder season, the sweet spot between peak and off-peak, when the weather is still pleasant. Crowds are smaller and prices are significantly lower. It's the perfect balance. Traveling during the off-peak seasons means you'll have more bargaining power when it comes to accommodations, tours, and even flights. You can often find great deals and discounts. So before you book that trip, take a look at the calendar and see if you can shift your travel dates to coincide with the off-peak seasons. It could make your trip more affordable and enjoyable. All right, let's talk about loyalty and how it can transform your travel experiences. Because being loyal to certain airlines, hotels, or credit card companies can seriously pay off. Literally. Imagine earning points every time you travel. Travel reward programs are like free money just waiting to be spent on your next adventure. These points can add up quickly and lead to amazing perks. Sign up for loyalty programs with your favorite airlines, hotel chains, and even credit card companies that offer travel rewards. It's a simple process that can yield big benefits. Every time you book a flight, stay in a hotel, or use your credit card, you'll earn points or miles that can be redeemed for free or discounted travel. These rewards can make your trips more affordable and enjoyable. It's like getting rewarded for doing something you were already going to do anyway. Plus, the more you travel, the more points you accumulate. Who doesn't love free stuff? From free flights to hotel upgrades, the possibilities are endless. Keep track of your points and miles, and don't be afraid to cash them in for flights, hotel stays, or even upgrades. Use apps and online tools to manage your rewards efficiently. So, make loyalty your new travel mantra and watch those rewards pile up. Start today and see how far your points can take you. Okay, let's talk about food. Because, let's be real, food is a huge part of the travel experience, right? But it can also be a major budget buster if you're not careful. One of the best ways to save money on food while traveling is to ditch those overpriced tourist restaurants and embrace the local cuisine. Head to local markets, street food stalls, and family-run restaurants for authentic and affordable meals that will tantalize your taste buds without emptying your wallet. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get to experience the true flavors of the destination. Don't be afraid to ask locals for recommendations or check out food blogs and websites for insider tips on where to find the best local eats. All right, let's talk about hydration because staying hydrated while traveling is crucial, but constantly buying bottled water can get expensive, and it's terrible for the environment. That's where the reusable water bottle comes in, your new travel essential. Before you leave for your trip, invest in a good quality reusable water bottle. Then, simply refill it throughout your travels at water fountains, your hotel, or even restaurants. Not only will you be saving money, but you'll also be reducing your environmental impact. So, ditch the plastic bottles and embrace the reusable revolution. All right, let's talk about exploring because one of the best ways to experience a new city is by foot. And what better way to do it than with a free walking tour? That's right, free. Most major cities offer free walking tours led by knowledgeable and enthusiastic local guides. These tours are a fantastic way to get your bearings, learn about the city's history and culture, and discover hidden gems you might not have found on your own. Plus, they're a great way to meet other travelers and maybe even make some new friends. Just be sure to tip your guide at the end of the tour. They work hard to make these tours informative and entertaining. All right, let's talk about technology because we all love our smartphones. But data roaming charges while traveling? Not so much. But don't worry, there's a simple solution: offline maps. Before you leave for your trip, download offline maps of your destination using apps like Google Maps or Maps.me. These apps allow you to save maps for offline use, so you can navigate your way around without needing an internet connection. This is especially helpful for finding your way around unfamiliar cities, using public transportation, or even just finding a good restaurant without racking up those dreaded data charges. So, before you jet off on your next adventure, make sure to download those offline maps. And there you have it, 10 travel hacks that will help you see the world without breaking the bank. Remember, traveling doesn't have to be expensive. With a little planning, creativity, and these awesome hacks, you can make your travel dreams a reality without emptying your wallet. Thanks for watching. If you found these travel hacks helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels, everyone!